Hey guys, I'm Abigail Aka and you're welcome back to today's video. So someone requested that I make a video on how to get a slimmer nose, and then I had to go on YouTube to see what was there, and I saw a couple of very funny moves, and then I'll be like, when I start making those moves I probably look ridiculous. Anyway, we are doing a nose workout today. If you're new here on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification. And be sure to like and share this video. It helps this channel a lot. It supports me. So let's get started with this video. So the first one I saw is from okay, let me look at it again. I'm laughing at myself because I'm just imagining what I'm going to look like when I start making those moves. Okay, so basically for this move, what she's saying you should do, because of me, she said you should hold on to your nose on top and then you press it in a little bit. While you press it in, you want to try to struggle to push out air from inside. Then when you do that, you are simply going to be engaging your muscle of the nose, thereby in strengthening it, and the stronger the muscle, eventually looks firmer and will get you that very nice looking nose. I don't know this, so I really don't know, so let's try it. Deep breath in, exhale and push out. That's the first one. Let's look at the second one. Okay, so next one, she said you should use this to block the air, and then you want to try to breathe in, hold and release. Breathe in, inhale seriously and release. So when you do this, I don't know if you can see this. Let me just zoom in so you can see what I'm saying. Okay, so this is it. You get the point. So you can hold as long as you want to. So like this, let's say how long I can hold on to mine. And then you release. You release. If you notice, right now I'm shaping this side of my nose with this simple move, and I'm strengthening the muscle. And when you strengthen your muscle, you're simply getting it to look a whole lot better. The next one she's doing here is look at. She said you should push up a little bit here. You can see my the hole in my nose. You could just push up a little. Then okay, let me just do this. You hold here like this. I want you to see the nostril. Okay, just hold on here. Don't mind me. And then what you want to do is just slightly. You're not dragging like this. You just slightly push up. And then you want to drag your mouth down while you still hold on to the tension, like onto the nose, the way with the same level of pressure and trying to hold it up. So you do this. I'm trying to fancify my own move. What she's exactly doing here is, but I'm doing this because I look nicer when I do this. You get the point? You see the difference? So let me do what she's doing now. You're supposed to perform each of the move for like 30 seconds to 1 minute for each of the move, And let's move on to the next exercise. This other one, you're supposed to just push onto one side of your nose, then use this other hand to block the air here. Then you try to push out the air with this one you're pressing onto. Did you get the point? So inhale deeply, block this one, and then exhale and push out. You're pushing out the nose here, this side, the air from this side you blocked. So you want to repeat that on this other side. So now we're going to block this side and we're going to push in and exhale, inhale in, exhale and push the air out. You hardly can see it because I've not zoomed in. That's why I zoomed in the other one, but you should be able to practice pushing out the air from this other side and engaging, using your muscle to push out the air and then engaging it. That's one of it. Next one, this is very good. It's going to alter my foundation, but what you're supposed to do is actually get a Vaseline, any moisturizer. Shea butter would also be a good one. Then use it and massage here, like in a circular motion like that. This helps give you a pointed nose, and it actually slowly reshapes, bringing your nose together and giving it a very nice. Then you also want to alter the motion like this, and you want to just, keep going. I like the way it looks, So I've moved on from my own nose exercise and I'm doing Dr. Madel's nose workout now, and this is what he said we should do. I'll leave a link to some of the nose workout, the 2 videos I'm referring to, in the description box in case you want to check them out. So this one, he said you should point your nose as well, like the other lady. Point it up, and then you want to smile as wide as possible. So look at what it should look like. Now you're like this, and then you want to look very horrible with those moves. So as you're pressing it up, you're smiling upwardly, then the nose, this helps to lift, give you a more pointed nose, like lift up this point of your nose, and you're actually strengthening the muscle as well. Next one, you're supposed to hold onto the nose here. The one he's doing right now is hold here very tight, firm, very tight. Then you want to push this side of the nose, the bottom, and then push it up. Push up. Hold tight and push up. My makeup is making my hand slip, and just push. This helps strengthen your nose and to give it a lifted look. So you don't want to repeat as many as you can, ranging from 10 to 15 or 20. That's the instruction here. So you want to keep going. How many have we done so far? I don't know. I'm lost. I have not even counted. So that's it for this move. My makeup is looking ruined. So let's move on to the next one. Let's see what he's doing next. So what he's doing here next is hold here, push up, then you want to pull your lip down like this while you push up. Can you see me well? You're supposed to repeat this for 15 to 20. And the time available to you to do this, because I feel funny doing all this move. The next one he's in here is you get your 2 fingers, place it here, and then raise your head up, and you want to push in, get your nostril in, and and push out. But you don't want to close your nostril. You don't want to close your nostril. You want to still be breathing with your nose, and then you want to do this. It's very awkward. I can't even do the moves. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you did find something here to do to get your nose to look sharper, shaped and finer. If you did like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel. If you did see result with doing these exercises, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear. Anyway, that's where we're wrapping it for this video. I hope you did enjoy the video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.